Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Pure Biology, and today I come with another video, that is the protein kinase and the phosphatases. Okay, protein kinases and phosphatases. Okay, and these are actually related topic from cell biology. And before going to this topic, I want to say that please you support me by subscribing this channel and obviously hit the bell icon for getting all the notifications of my all uploading videos. And generally I try to upload my videos on Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday and Sunday. Okay, if any mistake is there, then maybe one day I just cannot upload any video for any problems. Okay, generally I upload in that days. Okay, so here this is the protein kinases and the phosphatases, and the activation, what is saying that here the activation of all cell surface receptors leads to changes in protein phosphorylation through the activation of protein kinase. So here what is saying that the activation of cell surface receptor that leads to, when the cell surface receptors become activated, that leads to changes in the protein phosphorylation. Okay, due to the activation of these receptors, some protein phosphorylation is occurring, and through this activation of the protein kinase, here the important role is seen that protein kinase is responsible for the phosphorylation process. Okay, and here that means that this protein kinase first activated themselves, and after that they help in the phosphorylation process. Okay, there are many types of protein kinases are there that involved in the signal transduction, and they all have the same basic catalytic activity. So there are many types of protein kinases. So here so what I am saying that generally protein kinases, they are involved in signal transduction, and they all have the same basic catalytic activity. Okay, and they add a phosphate group to an amino acid in a target protein. So what's the role of this? They add the phosphate group to an amino acid in a target protein. Clear? And the phosphate group is provided by ATP, and protein kinases can be classified. This is the third part. So what is said that these protein kinases just add the phosphate group to an amino acid in a target protein, and here this phosphate group that is provided by the ATP. Okay, and there are 5 types of protein kinases are there. Generally, one is serine or threonine kinases, second is tyrosine kinases, third one is the dual specificity kinases, fourth one is the histidine kinases, and fifth one is the aspartate kinases. Okay, the activity of the protein kinases that is opposed by the activity of protein phosphatase. So here the protein kinases versus protein phosphatases. So protein kinases actually they add the phosphate group to any protein, and here the phosphate group that is provided by ATP, and the 5 types of protein kinases are there. And in case of phosphatases, there are 4 types of phosphatases are there: serine or threonine specific phosphatase, and phosphotyrosine phosphatase, threonine tyrosine specific phosphatase, and prokaryotic phosphohistidine and phosphoaspartate phosphatase. So here what is the phosphatase role? The phosphatase's role is it removes the phosphate group from its substrate by hydrolyzing the phosphoric acid monoesters into phosphate ion and molecule with a free hydroxyl group. So here kinase actually add the phosphate group to any substrate molecule, and that is provided by ATP, but in case of phosphatase they remove the phosphate group, okay, from any substrate. and it is possible by the process of hydrolyzing. And here the hydrolyzing of what? Phosphoric acid monoesters into what? Into phosphate ion and molecule with hydroxyl group. Okay, so phosphate ion and hydroxyl group are formed from the hydrolyzing of phosphoric acid monoesters. Clear? And here another two are there. One is the phosphodiesterase and another is the phosphorylase. So phosphodiesterase are what? They break the phosphodiester bond. These are enzymes, okay? And if you want to know about different types of enzymes, then you have to consult any biochemistry book, obviously related the topic enzymes. So you can get all the type of enzymes that are involved in different reactions. So you can get that all. And here the phosphodiesterase is what? That breaks the phosphodiester bond. And the last one is the phosphorylase. Here the phosphorylase, that are the enzymes which catalyze the addition of an phosphate, that is the inorganic phosphate, to an acceptor. Okay, just add the inorganic phosphate to an acceptor. This is the active role, or this is the function of the phosphorylase. And in case of kinase, here the phosphate group generally transported or provided by the high energy donor. Okay, high energy donor, and ATP is the high energy donor. So these are about the protein kinases and the phosphatases. So I will try to explain another topic, obviously brief topic related to cell biology in my next video. So continue with my channel, and thank you.